FedEx said that they arrived. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Hey, you guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the great state of Michigan. If you're new to the channel, my name is James. Current temperature, 62 degrees. In today's video, you guys, as you can tell by the intro, we got our Billet Specialty rims. Yes, the Streetlights, you guys. If you don't know what they're called, they are called the Streetlight Billet Specialty wheels. We got the 17 by 10s, you guys, and they finally showed up. I'm so happy. You know, I don't do too many unboxing videos on this channel, but for really cool, special, unique things that most people don't buy, we'll unbox them for you guys. So, you know what? Let me go grab these out, bring them in the house, and let's unbox these bad boys and see what they look like. Before we grab these rims, you guys, I just wanted to give you guys a big thank you. We hit 500 subscribers this month, you guys. I'm super excited. We're on our way to 1,000, and I just wanted to give a big shout out to all my new and old subscribers. I couldn't do this without you guys. Thank you so much. And let's go grab these rims, you guys. All right, everybody. Let's cut to a cool montage of opening these bad boys. Well, to help in today's unboxing adventure, we have Sassy Car Girl here to assist us, ladies and gentlemen. And right below her are these beautiful beadlock Billet Specialty, made in the USA, Street Drag Light Black Series rims, you guys. I think these are gorgeous. I need her to hold them because I'm not putting the bolts in to hold the beadlock on because I don't know when we're going to be mounting tires on these. But I wanted to get you guys a nice close-up of these guys. They are absolutely gorgeous, you guys. Look at the machine work inside of here is just amazing. I can't even believe how beautiful these rims are. They are absolutely gorgeous. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Like I said, we don't do too many unboxing videos here on the channel, but I figured these were definitely worth an unboxing video. Well, hopefully we'll get our Mickey Thompson soon and we can mount them on these bad boys and maybe get a couple passes in later on this season. Hey everyone, just a quick video for everybody this week. I hope you guys enjoy these brand new Billet Specialty wheels we just got in. They were quite expensive, but I didn't want to copy nobody else. I thought that Xander 13 had a great set of wheels, but I didn't want to copy him. I thought Boosted 931 had an epic set of wheels. I didn't want to copy him. Pony 1992's got a nice set of wheels. I didn't want to copy him. So, you know, the search was on to get a nice set of wheels for Ruby, everybody. And when I came across these Billet Specialties, I said, you know what? These are money. These are money. So, hey, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give me a like. Smash that subscribe button. Thank you, everyone, for 500 subscribers. And we will catch you in the next video. Peace.